Hey guys, it's Ben here from Bnfx Markets. We've had a few of you ask for some context in terms of the performance of the swing trading course hosted by Aki. Okay, now interestingly, as most of you do know, the course does grant access to a VIP group where Aki posts his signals. And he does that every day with analysis, and it looks a little something like this. Let's have a look. So you see he posts plenty of setups, many of which have analysis charts showing the setup details, okay? Now, the coolest part of this is that you can see for yourself what the performance is like. If we go to the home page, you'll get an idea of where we're at. The bottom line is, using zero leverage, the account has been doubled in less than 12 months, which is pretty crazy. Now, while that may not be unheard of, it's very, very rarely that somebody is able to prove that that kind of performance actually exists. So, to combat that, all of the trade setups that Aki posts in the VIP group are listed. And we post those to our website so you can see exactly what pairs have been traded and what the results actually were. So as you can see, we don't hide losses. We like to share the good with the bad. But you'll see there's some very consistent results. Now, to put into perspective how good these results are, or what it could mean for you in your trading, if we go to this little spreadsheet, now, based on a $10,000 account using zero leverage, you can see the equity gain based on just this year alone is around 107%, which is crazy, okay? Now, what about if you've got a smaller account and you want to use a little bit of leverage? Well, let's have a look. So on a $5,000 account, we're using zero leverage whatsoever. That account would now be about $10,000 for the year. However, what about if you used to use just a 10-to-1 leverage? That's when things start looking even more interesting. So from a $5,000 account using 10-to-1 leverage, you can see here the gains are astronomical. So that account would now be 60 grand and around 1,000% up. And again, every single one of the trades posted on our results pages can be traced back. Okay, that's a really important thing, is transparency. Okay, so of course we don't recommend using leverage because you don't need to. If you don't use leverage, you're going to have a nice, stable, steady growth. And any losses you do incur along the way, they're not going to have an effect on the account. Okay. So we always recommend trading safe. However, for the gamblers out there, as you can see, there are some very, very high, potentially very high results that can be gained using this. So what can you do now to make a difference? Well, firstly, where it says see our trades for yourself, if you click on take me there, that takes you through to our free trading group. Okay. The idea is it's just to give you a bit of a taste of what you can expect within the groups we provide. Now, if we scroll up, what you'll see is setups from Aki. Now, at the beginning of every week, the first trades Aki posts will be completely free, and they're posted on here. Okay. Now, once the first free trade, 1 or 2 free trades have been posted, from there, the free room is alerted to what trades have been posted, but of course, the full details will only be available to the VIP group. Okay. The best part is this VIP group is completely free for a month for anybody who buys Aki's course. And on top of that, again, anybody who buys Aki's course who wants to continue with that, the access fee is just $29 a month. Okay, so it's basically nothing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a little special offer for you. As you can see, we're uploading that now. And usually Aki's swing trading course is £400, which again, considering the gains you've just seen and the gains that can be proven by yourself, is a very low cost. But for this week only, you can buy it for just $249. The best part is we're going to give you 1 month of free access to Aki's VIP trading room, so you can see all of his setups and his analysis, and of course you can follow his trades as you learn. But what does the room look like, or what does the training look like? Well, the training, very, very good. Essentially, you're going to learn about what the course is, learn about what swings are, learn about swing lows, uptrends, downtrends, side trends, and you're going to see some entry examples for all of those scenarios, as well as how to manage those trades. So it's going to show you Aki's complete approach from start to finish. Okay, so it's a really cool course. It's been edited really nicely too. So, you know, you're not just going to see trading screens, you're going to see stuff that's a little bit more interactive and a little bit more easy to follow. Okay, so that's the Ultimate Swing Trading course, and how you can firstly verify for yourself that actually, you know, Aki's doubled his account in less than a year with using no leverage, but it's also showing you how you can get a free taste as well. So I hope that's been useful and giving you some kind of a bit more perspective as to what these results actually mean when it comes to money, and also an idea of what's possible as well. Cheers, guys.